Hi friends, welcome to PPK Pharma Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about liquid interface. Under this topic, we will discuss the surface and interfacial tension. That means we will discuss the topic surface tension and what is surface tension and interfacial tension. This topic comes under Physical Pharmaceutics, B Pharmacy, second year, third semester, Unit 3. Now we will go into this topic. Before going to this topic, if you like this video, please click on like button, share this video to your friends, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Now we will see what is surface tension and interfacial tension. These are nothing but these are the force of attractions generally exists between molecules. That means between the molecules there will be a force of attraction. The molecules like liquid molecules or solid molecules. But molecules in the bulk of the solid are surrounded by other molecules for which they have equal attraction. That means molecules in the bulk of the liquid. That means the molecules which are liquid which are present in the liquid, they are surrounded by a other molecule. That means since it's a liquid droplet is a combination of several small molecules. That means that bulk molecule will be surrounded by several molecules which have equal attractions. So due to these equal attractions, these forces tend to cancel each other. Therefore, the net attraction experienced by any point of the bulk of the liquid. Let us assume that here we have a liquid combination of several molecules which are surrounded by, let us assume here we have a force of attraction and there will be equal force of attraction with all molecules. So net force acted on each molecule is 0. Okay, now we will see the different substances and their surface tension. Now we will see mercury and its surface tension is 476 dynes per centimeter. Olive oil 35.8, water 72.8, glycerin 63.4, benzene 28.9, heptane 19.7, chloroform 27.1. Therefore, molecules at the surface, however, do not have their attraction forces properly balanced. That means the molecules at the upper surface of the liquid will not have attraction forces properly. Next, they experience an inward force of attraction towards the bulk of the liquid. That means since these molecules are located in upper surface, they experience inward attraction towards the bulk of solid. Okay, next the surface of liquid therefore gets contracted and the molecules at the interface are pulled together. Since the force of attraction is moving inwards, so the surface molecules which are on the upper surface of the liquid will get contracted and molecules at the intersurface will be pulled together. Next, the force which has to be applied to counterbalance exactly this inward pull is known as surface tension. Finally, we got the definition of surface tension, that is surface tension is the force which has to be applied to counterbalance exactly this inward pull. Since as said before, the upper surface molecules will move inside, will move towards inside. So the net force we need to apply from outside to pull the molecules which are gone inside, that are the net force we need to apply to the upper surface of the molecules to come to its original position. This is known as surface tension. Okay, interfacial tension is the force acting between two miscible liquid phases. The relative values of surface tension indicates the nature of intermolecular forces. The molecules in mercury are held together by strong metallic bonds and they have highest value for surface tension. Before we saw one sample liquid, but for molecules like mercury molecules, they are strongly held together by metallic bonds. So they'll have highest surface tension because due to the strong bonds. Next, water molecules are held together by hydrogen bonds and benzenes have the pi electron interaction while the heptane are held together by London forces. That means for water have hydrogen bonds, for benzene pi electron interactions and for heptane, London forces are acted to pull the molecules which are located on the upper surface of the liquid. Next, surface tension also depends on the temperature. That means surface tension may vary from one temperature to another temperature. The surface tension usually decreases with increase in temperature. That means generally the surface tension will be decreased when we increase the temperature, because why means increase in temperature increases the kinetic energy of the molecule and less force is need to bring the molecule to interface. Since why means since temperature increases, the kinetic energy of single molecule will be increased. So we need to, since kinetic energy increased, we need to give less force to bring the molecules at interface, that means to original position. Now water has surface tensions with different surface tension at different temperature. First, water has 76.5 at 0 degree centigrade temperature and 72.8 per centimeter at 20 degrees centigrade and 63.5 at 75 degrees centigrade. Here you can see the surface tension is decreasing by increasing the temperature. For 0, 75.6, for 20, 72, whereas for 75 degrees, since we increase the temperature, here we have only 63.5 degrees is the surface tension. The greater is the tendency of the substance to interact, the less is the interfacial tension. That means the greater the tendency of the substance to interact. If the substance have a greater tendency to interact with them, then less will be the surface tension, interfacial tension. Glycerin interacts with water. That means if we add two substances, if the particular substance will have greater tendency to interact, then there will be a less interfacial tension. For glycerin interacts with water to the extent that no interfacial tension exists and they are perfectly miscible with each other. That means certain amount of glycerin will be reacted with some amount of water. How much extent means up to that there is no interfacial tension exists between them. So up to that there will be a perfectly miscible with each other. If there is interfacial tension, there will be some problems like immiscible characters like arise. This is the overall surface and interfacial tension. If you like this video, please click on like button, share this video to your friends, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Thanks for watching this video and visiting our channel. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you to all.